Good morning, everybody. કેમ છો બધા? મજામાં? Okay. Now, today, let us look into the second tool of our promotional mix, that is sales promotion. Before few years, the ratio of advertising to sales promotion used to be 60-40. Means out of the total budget, 60% was spent on advertisement and 40% on promotion. But in today's time, the ratio of sales promotion to other tools of promotion is 75-25. Means 75% of the total budget is spent on sales promotion and remaining 25% on all of promotion. So you can see how important the sales promotion is. There are several companies and several brands who have made a successful market entry and have maintained their position just because of their effective sales promotional campaign. For example, Paytm. Before demonetization, Paytm had a single agenda of market entry based on sales promotion. And just a small event of demonetization, Paytm became the household payment app. Similarly, if you look at Big Bazaar, Big Bazaar also in the initial had a same strategy of having a very good sales promotional campaign. And with that promotional campaign, Big Bazaar was able to create a big brand. So let us look at what is sales promotion, what are different types of sales promotion, and how we can design a good sales promotional campaign. Before going ahead, let us look at a small case study of BPCL, that is Bharat Petroleum Company. Now think about a product like petrol. A product like petrol is very difficult to differentiate. If you are a brand manager for BPCL, how will you differentiate your petrol and your petrol pumps as compared to others? Petrol is same. Every petrol pump has got 89 octane petrol. The services that are provided at the petrol pump are more or less the same, and it's very difficult to differentiate your pump from others. So Garak ke tamaro je target segment che, why he should try and fill a petrol from BPCL and not HPCL or Indian Oil or any other company as such? What kind of promotion you can offer to him so that you can increase sales, at the same time you can also enhance the loyalty of your customers. So, how a brand manager or a promotion manager of BPCL can assure કે જે કસ્ટમર છે એ BPCLના પંપ ઉપર જ પેટ્રોલ ભરાવે, બીજા કોઈ પંપે નહીં? And how will he make sure that he customer again વારંવાર એના જ પંપે પેટ્રોલ પુરાવે? So that is where this BPCL came up for the very first time in India, something known as a Petro card. It's a beautiful promotional campaign. This Petro card is a card which has got a microprocessor chip into it. Every time you fill a petrol, some points gets added into your. So every time the consumer goes to the BPCL petrol pump, fill the petrol, the points get added into the card. These points can be exchanged for free gifts, discounts, and the access to many events. Like once you collect somewhere around 5,000 points, you get free movie ticket. Once you collect around 10,000 points, you get certain gifts. You become eligible for the priority line in BPCL petrol pump. So, if you have certain points, you don't have to wait in a queue for getting the petrol. You can have a priority line and you can get a petrol filled and leave early. Now think about, that target segment like taxi drivers, taxi owners, tours and travels operators, transport owners. They were highly fascinated by this Petro card. So this is the loyalty program of a Petro cards. Initially, when they started with this program, for every 1 rupee spent, the consumer used to get 1 reward point. Once they collect certain points, these points can be encashed for free gifts, discount, special access to a green channel in a petrol pump, and BPCL used to organize events from time to time where all the Petrocard owners were invited and they were pampered. The benefit that happened to BPCL was, in that month in which the Petrocard was introduced, their sales shoot up by almost 60%. Secondly, 30% of their business became prepaid. Means I am buying a card today, I am recharging it say for 5,000 rupees. હવે 5,000 રૂપિયા હું અત્યારે ને અત્યારે પેટ્રોલ નથી પુરાવાનો, બટ ઓવર અ પીરિયડ ઓફ ટાઈમ કે હું આજે પુરાવું, મહિનો દિવસ રહીને પુરાવું, 1.5 મહિનો રહીને પુરાવું. But the BPCL is getting money before the customer is consuming the product. So 30% of their business became prepaid. Along with that, they tied up with State Bank of India, SBI, and several other banks where they shared the data. And believe me, in that quarter, BPCL made the largest profit in its history. So a good promotional campaign can literally help the brand to enhance. So, what is sales promotion? Where advertisement gives the reasons to the consumer to buy, sales promotion gives incentive, extra incentives for a consumer to buy and buy right now. Especially in a scenario like India, where a consumer is highly motivated by discounts, offers, events, and that extra incentives that they get. So sales promotion consists of collection of incentive tools, mostly short run, which are designed to stimulate quicker or greater purchase of a particular product or a service by a consumer or the trade. The basic benefit of a sales promotion is it increases the sales in a short run. તો તમારે જો લોંગ ટર્મ બ્રાન્ડ બનાવી હોય તો ગો ફોર એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ. એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટના રિઝલ્ટ ઇમિજિએટ નહીં આવે, બટ ઇટ વિલ ગીવ અ લોંગ ટર્મ બ્રાન્ડ ઇમેજ. તમારે જો ટૂંકા ગાળામાં વેચાણ જોતું હોય અને યોર પ્રાયોરિટી ઇઝ સેલ્સ, you should go for sales promotion. Promotion increases the sales in a short run. Secondly, sales promotion also encourages brand switching. દરેક માર્કેટમાં, દરેક સેગમેન્ટમાં અમુક બ્રાન્ડ સ્વિચર હશે જે વેલ્યુ ફોર મની જોતા હોય અને એ એક બ્રાન્ડથી બીજી બ્રાન્ડ, બીજીથી ત્રીજી બ્રાન્ડ સ્વિચ કરી રાખે. When you have a good promotional scheme, you can get the brand switchers. The retailer can have better stock. It gives them the extra quantities to store, and there's a concept everyday low pricing. Sales promotion can actually enhance everyday low pricing. Like Big Bazaar has enhanced इससे सस्ता और अच्छा और mainly the sales promotion could be of 3 types, but here we'll be discussing 2. The sales promotion could be a consumer promotion, trade promotion, or a sales force promotion. Consumer promotion is promotion which is targeted to consumers or final end user. Trade promotions is the promotion that is targeted to channel partners. So wholesaler, retailers, એ લોકોને તમે જ્યારે કોઈક સ્કીમ આપો છો, that is called trade promotion. What are some of the tactics of consumer promotion? હવે you people will be knowing more than me. Consumer promotion એટલે promotions which are targeted to final consumers or end user, like free samples. If any brand wants to launch in its market, initially they give free samples. Like Maggi, when it first came to India, it used to distribute a free samples to teenagers, essentially in the age group of 11 to 18 years, in schools, allow them to taste the Maggi, took their suggestion, and then launched the brand. So it could be samples, coupons. You must be receiving a lot of coupon codes in your mobile or on the website, and you'll be using this coupon code to get the discounts and offers. Cash refund. Cash refund is you get 20% cash back or 40% cash back. So whenever you do something, you get a cashback offer with an intention that you use that cash again and again to buy the same thing. Price off. Price off means buy one get one free, buy one get two free, buy one get three free, etc. etc. These are just some of the consumer oriented sales promotion as such. As I told you, this sales promotion techniques would largely encourage the brand switchers. તો તમારે કોમ્પિટિટરના કસ્ટમર તમારી બ્રાન્ડ બાજુ ખેંચવા હોય અને એકવાર એને તમારી બ્રાન્ડ ટ્રાય કરાવી હોય, these tactics could be useful for attracting the brand switchers, the competitors' customers, making them try your brand, and then you have to follow it with other tactics so that the customers who have come to try your brand, at least 50% gets retained, and that is where you are able to crack the consumer's market share. Other tools of promotion are consumer oriented promotion, like premiums, keeping the price same, giving extra quantity. Prizes, like Ariel came up with, a contest where you can win a LG washing machine. So again, it's a prizes. Patronage rewards. Patronage rewards are the rewards that are given to loyal set of customers. Like KitKat did a very beautiful promotional campaign in UK. Now what actually KitKat did was that if you buy a packet of KitKat, there is a code in that packet. You resend the code to the company. You can scan the code or you can send it via their website, and you can send your photograph which you want to be placed on the KitKat. So what a Nestle KitKat will do is it will give you a personalized KitKat wrapper along with the KitKat, obviously. એટલે તમારી પર્સનલાઇઝ રેપર વાળી KitKat તમને એ લોકો ઘરે આપશે. This program was very effective. KitKat received more than 1 million, 10 lakh entries, જેમાં માણસોએ પોતાના ફોટા KitKatને મોકલ્યા, પર્સનલાઇઝ રેપર બનાવ્યા, અને these personalized wrapper they used to save for a longer period of time. Beautiful campaign. A similar campaign was copied by Maggi in India. Maggi told me and Mary Maggie. Sorry, मैं और मेरी Maggie. So if you have any story with Maggi, you can just write down to the Maggi or you can email it to them. Maggi will print that story on their wrapper along with your photograph. વિચારો તમારા ફોટાવાળી Maggi રિટેલ સ્ટોર્સમાં, મોલ્સમાં ને બધી પડી હોય, કેવી મજા આવે યાર. આપણો ફોટો આખી ગામ Maggiના પોસ્ટર ઉપર, અને એમને આપણને સેલિબ્રિટી સ્ટેટસ મળી જાય. So this kind of a program, if it's implemented properly, it works very effectively. Other tools could be free trials or tie-in promotion. Tie-in promotions like what Gillette did, that along with Gillette shaving razor, they give Gillette shaving gel free. So, consumer can try the shaving gel and maybe he can use it at a trade promotions. Uh, Trade promotions are promotions which are targeted to channel partners. કોણ ચેનલ પાર્ટનર્સમાં? તો ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટર, હોલસેલર, રિટેલર, ઇન્ફ્લુએન્સર. જ્યારે એ લોકોને આપણે સ્કીમ આપીએ છીએ, સ્કીમ એટલે રિયલ સ્કીમ, સો દેટ they store more products and accordingly pass on to the customers. That kind of a promotional tactics are called trade promotion. So trade promotion like price off. Price off means giving the product at a highly discounted price. કે ભાઈ જામનગરમાં ટેલી સોફ્ટવેરનો જે રિટેલર હોય એને ટેલી કંપની કહે કે તમે જો આ મહિને 10 GSTના ઇન્સ્ટોલેશન કરો તો હું તમને એડિશનલ આટલું ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ આપીશ, એકોર્ડિંગલી તમારું પ્રોફિટ વધી જશે. Price off. Second is allowances. Allowances are, like advertisement allowance or merchandise allowance which are given by manufacturer to retailer. કે retailer એની શોપમાં, દુકાનમાં એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ મૂકે બ્રાન્ડની, કે ડિસ્પ્લે કરે બ્રાન્ડ્સ એકદમ દેખાય એમ, તો they get the additional allowance. Free goods. Free goods like, say a pharmaceutical company, they give a lot of free goods to doctors. Say for example, say there is a brass hardware manufacturing company here in Jamnagar. હવે એ લોકો હાર્ડવેર આઇટમ્સ બધી બનાવે છે, જેમ કે બ્રાસના હિન્જીસ છે, સ્ટોપર્સ છે, લોક છે, કલ્સ છે, એક્સેટ્રા. હવે એ લોકોને પ્રમોશન ડિઝાઇન કરવું છે. સો વોટ દે કેન ડુ? હવે એ લોકોનો મેઇન ઇન્ફ્લુએન્સર કોણ? સો દેર મેઇન ઇન્ફ્લુએન્સર ઇઝ કાર્પેન્ટર. સુતારી કામ જે કરે છે એ ઘણી હદે ગ્રાહકને ઇન્ફ્લુઅન્સ કરશે કે ક્યાં હિન્જીસ લેવા, ક્યાં સ્ટોપર્સ લેવી ને ક્યાં લોક લેવા. So what this company does is it gives free goods to carpenter. તે કાર્પેન્ટરને સ્ક્રૂડ્રાઈવર જોતું હોય, અમુક પાના પકડ જોતા હોય, ડ્રિલિંગ મશીન જોતું હોય, ટેપ જોતી હોય. So they give this free gifts or free goods to the carpenter, and in turn carpenter would influence for the sales of their hardware parts. Again, next is sales contest. એક જ એરિયામાં 3 કે 4 રિટેલર હોય, એની વચ્ચે તમે કોન્ટેસ્ટ રમાડો કે કોણ જીતે છે. સો સેલ્સ કોન્ટેસ્ટ. ટ્રેડ શોઝ. Trade shows also occupy a large amount of the promotional budget. Trade shows are, shows where your retailers or distributors can come and see the new technology, new products and new invention in their area. And last but not the least is a specialty advertising. Specialty advertising is just like giving, merchandise. એટલે diary, pen, stickers, keychains, book, etc. as a part of these. Well, these are just steps of designing the sales promotion program and also the major decisions to be taken. First, establishing objective. તમારે કેમ્પેઇન શું કામ કરવું છે, સ્કીમ શું કામ આપવી છે. સેકન્ડ ઇઝ ક્યુ ટૂલ વાપરશો, કન્ઝ્યુમરને પ્રમોશન આપશો, ટ્રેડ પ્રમોશન આપશો, કે બંને કન્ઝ્યુમર અને હોલસેલર રિટેલર બંનેને આપશો, ક્યારે આપશો. તો ડેવલપ અ પ્રોગ્રામ. દેન પ્રી ટેસ્ટેડ, કે આ પ્રમોશન પ્રોગ્રામ આપણે બનાવીએ છીએ એ ઇફેક્ટિવ રહેશે ને, તો નાનકડો સર્વે કરો. એન્ડ બેઝડ ઓન ધી સર્વે યુ કેન ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ટુ વોટ એક્સટેન્ટ the program is effective, implement it, and last, evaluate the result. So the first decision that a promotion manager has to take is the objective of promotion. તમારે બાપુ promotion શું કામ કરવું છે? Now some of the commonly used objective could be building trial among the consumers. કે ભાઈ હું રેઝર છે એ કદાચ જિલેટની યુઝ કરું છું અને આફ્ટર શેવ છે તો એ તો ભાઈ આપણું ઓલ્ડ સ્પાઇસ જ બરાબર છે. So if Gillette comes up with an aftershave lotion, Gillette will give me a small sample of that aftershave lotion along with the Gillette razor. And once I use that Gillette aftershave lotion, I feel, oh wow, this is good yaar. આમાં તો મજા આવે છે. So that will increase the trial, and among the non-users that you try, many can become your users. So the objective could be building the trial among the consumers, attracting brand switchers. દરેક સેગમેન્ટમાં એવા કસ્ટમર્સ હશે જે વેલ્યુ ફોર મની સીક કરતા હોય અને they switch the brand from here to there. A good promotional campaign can increase the brand switchers. Third, encourages the purchase of large size unit. કે ઘણા કસ્ટમર્સ પ્રમોશન ઉપર હોય તો મોટી બાટલી કે મોટી વસ્તુ લઈ લઈએ, મોટું પેકેટ લઈ લઈએ, and it can increase the consumption. And last but not the least is rewarding the loyal customers. That a brand manager at some point of time has to differentiate between the loyal customers and not so loyal customers. So that is where they design the promotional campaign for the loyal customers, reward them so they become more loyal and they bring more customers. So that's again one of the objective of sales promotion. These are just a commonly used objective. But one thing is, when you use this objective, sales promotion could be an effective tool for attaining this objective. Second step is selecting the consumer promotion or a trade promotion tool. Now that would depend on what kind of market it is. It is a highly fragile market કે જેમ કે ટેલિકોમ માર્કેટ છે ઇઝ હાઈલી ફ્રેજાઇલ, એમાં બ્રાન્ડ લોયલ્ટી બહુ ઓછી છે. આજે હું વોડાફોન યુઝ કરતો હોઉં ને કાલે જીઓ નવી સ્કીમ આપે તો આઈ શિફ્ટ ટુ જીઓ. થોડાક ટાઈમ પછી મને જીઓમાં મજા ના આવી તો આઈ માઇટ ગો બેક ટુ એરટેલ ઓર આઈડિયા. સો ડિપેન્ડ્સ ઓન ટાઈપ ઓફ માર્કેટ એન્ડ વોટ આર ધી કોમ્પિટિશન કન્ડિશન. કોમ્પિટિટર્સ કેવી સ્કીમ્સ આપે છે, દેટ ઓલ્સો વુડ ડિપેન્ડ that what kind of tool you use. The third is developing the program. Now in developing the program, you have to use several media. Like whatever sales promotion program you are preparing, it has to be advertised on the different advertising media, on social media and several other places. Also, you have to decide what would be the size of incentive. કે ભાઈ Zomato supposing 5% discount આપે, so that 5% is not sufficient for any action to be induced among the customers. Now, if Zomato gives 40% discount, then maybe it is not profitable for a Zomato to give 40% discount. So what Zomato can do? Zomato has to come up with a normal size, at least a minimum size, which will induce some action amongst the consumer. એટલે Zomato એમ કે up to 5% off, but minimum તમને 50 rupees તો off આપશો જ. પછી બેઝડ ઓન કે તમારી લોયલ્ટી કેવી છે ઝોમેટો ઉપર, અને with the help of an algorithm or AI, they know that you are ordering again and again from Zomato, so they might give you a discount up to 35%. એન્ડ અમુક મારા જેવા હોય જે ઓછું ઓર્ડર કરતા હોય ઝોમેટો ઉપર, એને કદાચ 10% ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ મળે. સો યુ હેવ ટુ ડિસાઇડ વોટ શુડ બી ધ સાઇઝ ઓફ ઇન્સેન્ટિવ, ક્યારે પ્રોગ્રામ રન કરો, ડ્યુરેશન શું હોવું જોઈએ. એઝ આઈ ટોલ્ડ યુ, સેલ્સ પ્રમોશન ઇઝ અ શોર્ટ ટર્મ પ્રોગ્રામ. જો કાયમ તમારી બ્રાન્ડમાં કંઈક ને કંઈક સ્કીમ હોય તો કન્ઝ્યુમર ઇઝ સ્માર્ટ ઇનફ ટુ રેકોગ્નાઇઝ કે કા બ્રાન્ડ ચાલતી નથી અને કા કંઈક બ્રાન્ડમાં વાંધો છે. સો દેટ ઇઝ વેર ઇટ હેઝ ટુ બી શોર્ટ. તમારે 15 દિવસ માટે કેમ્પેઇન કરવું છે, મહિના દિવસ માટે, what is the duration of the program, what would be the timing, what will be the condition for participation, कि चलो you'll get 30% discount but on a minimum order of say 500 plus. So what should be the condition for participating in that program, what should be my distribution vehicle, કે ભાઈ ઓનલાઈન ઓર્ડર આપે તો જ હું ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ આપીશ, ઓફલાઈનમાં નહીં, કે વાઇઝ વર્સા. So what should be your distribution vehicle, and last, how much you should spend on this program, what should be the budget. So these are just the decisions that needs to be taken while designing the promotional. So the last slide for today. આજનો લેક્ચર જલ્દી પતી ગયો નહીં? ડોન્ટ વરી, વી હેવ ટાઈમ. કંઈક કરશો ખરા? Just joking, don't worry. Well, the last few decisions that needs to be taken are pre-testing the campaign. કે આપણે જે કેમ્પેઇન બનાવીએ છીએ એનાથી કન્ઝ્યુમરમાં કંઈ એક્શન આવશે ને, આપણું કેમ્પેઇન will be sufficient to induce the action. So you have to pre-test it with a small sample, then implement it across the life cycle. Which tool is appropriate, that you have to find out. Whether you should give discount or extra quantity, whether you should use contest which has got a chance of luck to win, or you can have say a tie-up kind of a promotion. એક રિસર્ચ એવું કહે છે કે today consumer is not so much interested in simple discount. Consumer wants something that is larger than the life. ભલે 1000માં એક હોય કે લાખે એક હોય. તો if I buy a સંતૂર સોપ અને સંતૂર એમ કહે કે 3 સંતૂર સાબુને એક હું પેન ફ્રી આપીશ, તો that is not inducing any action among the consumers as such. But if Lux says that you buy a Lux and you win a date with Alia Bhatt or your Katrina Kaif, now that induces a lot of action among the consumers. ભલે લાખે એક જ જણો જીતવાનો હોય અને ઓલામાં દરેકને પેન મળતી હોય, બટ આજનો જે કન્ઝ્યુમર છે એને લાર્જર દેન લાઈફ રિવોર્ડ જોઈ છે rather than a assured reward. But again, it might be wrong. You have to test it. So you have to ask the consumer to rank that which promotional tool will be more effective for them and then go ahead with it. And last, you have to evaluate કે આ જ્યારે પ્રમોશનલ કેમ્પેઇન આપણે કર્યું ત્યારે આપણું સેલ્સ વધ્યું કે નહીં, વધ્યું તો કેટલું વધ્યું, કન્ઝ્યુમરનો રિસ્પોન્સ કેવો આવ્યો એના માટે, ઇન્ક્વાયરીઝ નવી જનરેટ થઈ કે નહીં. So that you have to evaluate your program at the end of the promotion. So well, this was more or less about the sales promotional campaign. And with this we come to an end of your fourth P of promotion, fourth P of marketing mix, that is promotion. There is a small quiz. I am sharing the link with you. Kindly fill the quiz. In the next class, in the next week, we are going to cover a very important topic. So please you for the next week. Thank you. Stay home. Jalsa karo.